Hello friends, myself Saurabh Sharma. Again I am coming with the question 5th of M.C.Q Pathfinder kinematics. So thank you for the support. So when a car, I'm starting to reading this question, so just focus on the question. When a car passes marks A, driver applies brakes. Okay, thereafter reducing speed uniformly from 160 km per hour at so A speed is 126 km per hour. The car passes mark C with a speed of 40 km per hour. The marks are at equal distances on the road as shown. Okay. So when on the road there was the car moving with a speed 100 km per hour, neglect the size of the car as compared to the distances involved. So at mark B, between marks A and mark B, between marks B and mark C, information is insufficient to decide. So this question is simply saying that if the speed after 160 kilometer per hour, if the speed is 100 kilometer per hour is exist on the road, then where is the position of the block car? So let's assume I'm just drawing very simply. This is a point A, this is a point B, and this is a point C. Let's assume the distance between A to C is D. If this distance is D, so this distance is D by 2, and this distance is also D by 2. Understood? Here the particle is moving, car is moving with a speed of 160 km per hour is the given in the question, and at point C it is moving with a speed of 40 km per hour. So this speed is 40 km per hour. So just using the third equation of motion, and it is moving with a constant acceleration. Okay, it is apply the brake, constant brake. So constant brake is applied. So let's assume this is a brake A. So using a third equation of motion, is saying that the final velocity square is equal to initial velocity square minus twice as. So final velocity at point C is a 40 square plus equal to 160 whole square minus twice as. Finally, if we calculate the acceleration in terms of distance, let's assume here I am using little wrong thing. So distance is say called D. This is also D. So acceleration in terms of D is 160 whole square minus 40 square divided by D, 2D. So the value is coming 12,000 by D. This is the deceleration. The car driver applied the brake amount of this deceleration. Now what is happening? The question is saying that if it is in speeds on the way is 100 km per hour, then where is located? So we know very well the initial speed is 160. So again we using a third equation of motion. Let's see the very simple question. Yes or no? Only third equation of motion we can use and we can solve this question. So third equation of motion, V square is equal to U square minus twice A into, let's assume it is D prime distance. So final speed is 100 square. Initial speed at point is 160 whole square minus twice A is 12,000 by D into D prime. So if you solve this equation, then your D prime is coming. It is 0.65 D. Means 0.65 D means if the car start, we neglect the size of the car. So car start at point A. At point B, it's cover a distance 0.5 D. So the B to C, the extra distance is 0. So somewhere the car is somewhere here. So between B and C. So correct answer is between marks B and mark C. The option C is correct. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please keep on my channel for new upcoming video. Thank you.